Well, go on, my people, welcome back to the channel. So, I don't know, so Jah Frass come out and in talk with him, well, jail experience, and you know the things where I'm experienced while in jail panning podcast. So, that video, I'm going to show you, plus, before I boom down that, wow, showing you some little clips with Vybz Kartel and him mother, and you know, just a bit of vibes with him friend them. So, make sure you don't watch the video to the end, and if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Don't leave without leaving any likes and your comments, and make sure you don't hate the video too. Here comes the video.
Yeah.
I just go in on my private bathroom and see one chunk load of shit in the commode. And not even toilet paper there in it. So that means oh shit in they never wipe all them body in my blood clot house, dog. How are the pussy clot to some people?
I'm thinking you was a real dread, man. You scared cause you good?
Hold on. You come in my house. Don't you ever bring scared business to me. You're looking at the toughest rascal Jamaican in the United States of America.
Slick, we beat Everton today. Them running on them never turn, you know. Who beat today, Slick? Today was Sunday, who beat? Who Arsenal beat? Okay. Stand up straight, my killer. No, why not? I just want to know why Arsenal are disappointing us so much. I don't know why that. A regular day of disappointment. Lenny, them says a regular day. So Arsenal disappoint them. It happened on the wild chop. Yeah, man, it's a regular day, man. Yeah. People are royalty in our town, you know. Look there. Slick white line. Respect my bro. We outside, you hear that? Chop. We outside, you know, God is the greatest. You hear that? I'm a brother rat. Good. On faith. You know a man like only the girl them love? Yeah, man, a man have strong faith. Yeah, man, I really would. One sky dweller. Lenny Matic. Don't fuck up. I slang that. Don't thief it. You see me? We outside. People up there. From when you see them two man there, you know. We don't know it tour money put up in that day. I'm out! Really? Nothing now? Now I'm going to go in the pool, mommy. Seriously?
No.
Now I'm going to go in the pool.
No.
Why not?
But we have to go to the pool.
Yeah, just go chuck off and have a little swim.
I got a bikini for
you. Yeah, I have a bikini for you and everything.
I have a bikini for yourself, yeah.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, you know, it's the first day. Alright, so when the incident happened, I got hospital, then them put the bangle on me, you see me?
Yeah.
Bro, we are sitting on the hospital bed and the man them say, oh, I'm good, I can cut now, them discharge me. So me I tell the doctor say, discharge what? And I be that comfortable. I said, let me stay, what I'm gonna do. Please, me no want to go. Come here, me no want to go. Come here, ask the police if I say, yo. So, when I bring my gas station, I let me go home, they might say, you know, we make you go home, you see me? But I don't believe them, you see me? So I tell, I want cool, brother. I say, oh, doc, just make me go and bill now, man. I go and I could run out of bed, you there, you know?
What you say?
He might say, yo, nothing wrong, I can't cut, you see me?
I'm not going to be blind now.
Wait, no? And the next thing, too, I can start a church. Here why? Bro, if I'm in the hospital, brother, you that thing say a Jesus hospital, brother. Everybody I call for him, brother. You that think I want doctor named Jesus, brother. Nobody not call for nurse. Nobody not call for doc. Nobody not call for no porter. They might call for Jesus, bro. I tell you, I say, boy, I better call upon him from now, you know, before we reach us. You know.
True, man.
I swear to you, bro. I say, hey, you in there, you just say here, oh, Jesus.
But people know, man.
Right through your ear, Jesus, brother. I say, yo, John, you know something I go to church, bro. I go to church. But anyways, we go so on. Dad and fall for me and thing and big up to that squad here. The man drive the high traffic, the man take like 5 minutes to reach You be to half a tree. Reach a half a tree now, bro. I just stay there for like, I'm not going to sell a half a tree, I stay there for a long time. So, but just feel like I go home, bro. I'm not going to teach anybody this. Based on me, So when you get locked up, just condition him and say, I'll get locked up. Don't try for reach home. If you reach home, give thanks. But just condition him and say that I might have to go to jail for a weekend or some shit like that. You see me? Because I'm saying it's not as bad as you think.
I'm not gonna lie to you, the whole of my ticket, I'm gonna pay them.
Yeah, man, pay them.
I can't afford a lock up right now.
So, we got some boom now that the man them say Central, is it? And bro, I tell you, when we reach a Central now, that them search me and Fraii, and big up to Straii, you see me? Big up to man like Straii, dog, you see me? Big up them police, because him put me in the best cell possible. This cell was the best cell possible. And he says, as you enter, the man them try your case. Yeah, you never know. The man them, you have judge in there, you have jury in there, the man them try your case. The man them must say, what evidence? All right then, boy. So, in Nigeria, you have 3 types of niggas. You have the positive nigga, you have the negative nigga, and you have the real nigga. So, the negative nigga can make you know, say that, boy, Jay look rough, you know, that, man, be honest with you, look like you got the guy, you know, you see me? Then you have the positive nigga who just step on, bust off. After bust off, freedom is a must, rare, must see back road again, must go way hard. Then you have the real nigga, you see, I don't want him to take advice from, but sometimes advice kind of scary, because I must say, Jay, watch out now. 3 years now running, man. So I must say enough things about that. So your case, you can get the bail. But, so you hear the but, pause, just condition your mind for a good 6 months. I said 6 days? I said, no, 6 months, but they have 3 years. You see me? So, after that, now, that the first night, like, me not eat food for 5 days. Because me never want to ride the bike, you see me? I try my best, don't ride the bike. You ever ride the bike?
No, not so long.
Okay.
I book in and book out, man.
Yeah, one night, at B&B. So anyways, now, we got some boom now, and don't know, we have a couple of jail friends who show the ropes already. So the man must say, here we go on. You see this? Someone says, you piss girl. And the man say, well, you know what piss girl? I say, easy, man, I'm up to you, man. And the man say, well, you know weird things you have to wear, man. I say, 10, 2 10. I say, well, you know what I'm talking about? So I say, well, I'm up to you, man. Because I don't know why everybody have me as this uptown youth, brother. People, I'm not an uptown youth.
Yeah, what? Midtown?
No, bro, I'm a ghetto youth, brother.
Semitown? What do you mean by ghetto youth? Which ghetto you grow?
Well, the first place me know my born are there, Vineyard Town. Me go Rallington Town Primary. Did I not bring you to my primary school?
Oh, you give it 2 million?
But must I say, that look like an uptown? I could have got Vybz around the road, but I never got some go Rallington Town Primary. My money could have reached a Vybz. Like, I grew up.
The money reach a KC? When they reach a KC, though?
I know money reach a KC at the books.
Yeah, but...
The books and the books reach and stuff.
All right, you didn't know, say, that's why KC people, them, can they look out for them one another, you know. Anytime I get my youth, I want to see them go KC.
Naturally.
Because them look out for them one another. Them not corrupt, and a corruption game them play. It's like if KC, it want to go back to the reason. If KC man like OCSL, and you come as a little turn to bite them now sell, you know. When the other KC you come, them sell them faster than you. You know?
I'm not lying. I'm definitely not lying. I'm not lying. Because one of the dogs them who in my cell was a KC dog, you see me? And the man really helped me. Big up yourself, you know yourself. You know, big up man like Mary. Big up man like Guzman, Wall of Love Lane, Spanglers, TG.
Big up Spanglers.
Big up Big Boy.
Yeah.
Big up man like Mark. You don't know Mark spend like...
Like you some good like a foreigner come from. Yo, you're not gonna be doing it across the world.
Yeah.
Yo,
No, never listen. Never listen. Don't know it.
I knew it. You got New York.
No, man. Big up man like Face.
Yeah, you don't know. Here's the man that come out, you know.
You understand? And we have to big up the police officer. Yeah. Big up Mrs. Newman.
Yeah.
You understand? Miss Gray, Miss Bernard, Miss Beckford. No, sorry, not Miss Bernard. My dog Bernard. Sorry, man. Miss Beckford and Bernard. Roden, don't know the whole Central, bro. But they say, Miss Walker now, special greetings to Miss Walker anywhere she there, you see me? You understand? Strady, Clarky. You understand? I'm a place in the Central. You know who they have Central?
Who?
Quadra.
Yo, yeah, Quadra.
Quadra they have Central, Mr. Quadra.
You don't know, we got TD gang.
Quadra.
Them there, man.
Oh, them there too.
Them there, man.
Them there too, you see me? So, yeah, the first morning now, you don't know, the beard. You have to, come on, I say that. Central conditions is not good at all. But, and again, it's not a resort you go. And it's like prison, and not prison, God forbid. Lockup is like the dirtiest place to go, but the cleanest place at the same time. So like the road, you know what the road mean?
No.
Road at the hall.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so
but don't so, what the road sitting like?
No, man, road, man. So the road is dirty, but the cell you can't walk in a man cell with your slippers, your outside slippers and them somebody and
The ground.
the man them clean, the rear and whatever, you see me? So
Oh my God.
the first night now, I did one for piss. I'm a piss girl. Piss girl is like a big 2 liter. But every man piss girl different, you see me? You can every man is a piss girl. So we have a talk, a very vocal. So you have piss off, see a bad man piss off. Real GLR piss off right or so. No man. You see me?
Piss off.
No man right or so.
Yeah.
And if you make a man see you would know you're in a problem, a grounds out a man know I wanna go fuck you. You see me?
Yeah.
So you wake up in the morning now, you go clean your piss girl. As I said, the conditions.
What the experience in your 30s?
Yeah, my 30s, right?
Well, you gotta say one day you get just like you
You know? So you go to the boom now and you go around there, you clean out your piss girl. Somebody clean out the cell and you go bathe. You know what I mean? So you have to bathe in your boxers, obviously. And then when you have change off, now you have to talk, you see me? Because the man can't see your naked, so you have to see a bad man change off. You're around there, because when you go somewhere, you have to ask you around there.
Yeah, like I got bash with no ears around there.
Around there, you see me? So when you change off, you have to see a bad man change off, for instance, no man run us so. Change off, when you don't change off, now you say change off, mash up.
Yeah.
You see me? So you see, start the day, when I get bail, I think I have a quote, when I go Zoom.
Yeah.
So like me, I say, yo, bust off change off around here, so. Freedom change off. You see me? Gun coat change off. You see me?
Yo.
But enough reflecting go on in the dog, you see me? Because
What my wife from a Benz is.
you know where your friends is. And I can't say this
Let
proudly.
for the kids part though. That's
Yeah,
what my wife from the Benz
Yeah.
is. Don't want to say about what my wife from the kids is.
Yo,
no.
you know, next thing I fuck up tomorrow, there is some man, some headline, like a man, I say, yo, how much? And you say that, I'm 30. I say that, you're young, man. You're good, man. You have time, man.
But now no time for you, so. Time for you. I like man tell one here now. Well, after I say, you have time. Time for where?
Yeah,
No
but
time for that, bro.
yeah, but I do enough reflecting that because, you know, again, I
You think
can't...
Jaii song no time?
No, you crazy. Jaii got jail for rape, bad man.
No, I talk da 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 da
Rape
da.
got jail for?
Oh shit.
Go to sing.
For new one then.
You have a next one?
Yeah, we've talked the man say, Papa, I'm gonna see you in the town and I'm gonna stab you with my knife.
But they were like,
I said, Papa, when I see you in the town, I'm gonna stab you with my knife.
Everything got you.
wait up, what did I say? Yeah, me had enough self-reflecting, you see me? And I remember one time, I had reason with God, I say, yo, I stay out of trouble, you know. And then I think about them, I said that, I always stay out of trouble. You see, but sometimes some problems are going to reach you have to know how to deal with the problem. You see what I said?
Never plan.
You never plan. You have to just know how to deal with problem when problem come.
Problem
brother.
come like accident, never plan it.
Yeah, man. You see me? So, there was that, and bro, big up to Simone, man. For big up Simone.
Yeah, big up Simone.
Big up Simone. You see me?
Busy.
And I can't say,
Big up DJ Mac.
I'm just gonna say, I can't say, because I know friend want to big up, but I can't say, everybody who expect for the there for me, they there for me. Every
But the
single...
whole Jamaica really there for you still, you know?
I tell you.
Because them a cheer for you, you know?
I tell you.
Yo, you know, say, yo, you make artists can't drop song.
Eh?
You make artists have to say, yo,
I said, Jah Frass me.
can't drop song.
Yeah.
Yo, me an artist talk one say, can't drop a song right now, dog, too hard going on, dog. You want some mad dog, it's a Jah Frass on the internet. So, me I said, no, dog. And the people who pressure pressure me in the road, bro, we have to understand this. I literally, for my behalf, I literally learn the game now. So when I go say, Jah Frass gone now, you go flop. Jah Frass gone now, what you gonna do now? That mean the bun me dog. I see all Ross clad footer. Yo, I'm like bumbo
Yeah, you don't
clad.
say, it's a man like footer.
Yeah.
Footer gonna be footer, bro. I swear to the God. I see the video, but I never watch it. It's like an hour long, I never watch it, isn't me? I never watch it at all. And footer, bro. Footer, there's nothing footer can say about me where I gonna affect me, because footer, I gonna be footer.